I purchased a whole slew of curtains from Goodwill to create a little mini wardrobe capsule. This is the first outfit that I made out of my curtains. These are the two curtains I've chosen for today. Are they not just so delightful? Oh, they just remind me of cotton candy. Let's draw something up, shall we? I decided to make myself a pair of pants and a blouse for this one. And as you can see, it turned out almost identical to the sketch. So come join me as I show you how I did this. Here we go, let's go find some inspiration. I do not believe in reinventing the wheel. I love using patterns from all different eras and sometimes even using just a single pattern to follow directly or make it my own. I'd like to do some wide leg pants with the striped fabric and then a blouse of some sort. This one's quite simple, but I do like that it's crop. So it's a nice crop top because if I'm gonna do a high-waisted pant, it might be nice to not have to tuck in the shirt. So that's just a thought. This is 2018. I could go way over the top. I've made this before. You can check out my Instagram or my Facebook. This is from 1988 and actually makes kind of a cute top, oddly enough. Your typical 2002. I kind of like that just had some random ruching on there, but I prefer usually to not make button-down shirts. I find that they have to be so perfect that it's actually not worth my time or effort to make button-down shirts. And then there's this, which again, just seemed kind of fun. This is from 1985. It's just got some really cool details going on. And again, if I'm tucking it into a high-waisted pant, it gives me some good balance with the pants, I think. And these flowers might be really fun all cut up like that. I really loved how simple this one is. Look at that. It's literally just two pieces. And it's giving a very long leg. 94, again, she's got a really nice wide leg pant. It seems to come up nice and high. And how cool is she? She just looks really cool. These are entire outfits, all from the 70s, 74, 75, and 76. So if we start from 74, this entire outfit here, something about this really calls to me because if I make this shirt long enough, it could actually be a dress. So that's kind of cool. Like I could actually have double duty with my outfits where I could wear this as an actual dress or tuck it in or wear it belted. 1975. Look how amazing that one is. I mean, maybe it's the color. I really love it. It looks like a jumpsuit, but I really love how we've got the bell sleeve and we've got the belt there. I did just get done saying how much I hate making button-down shirts, but I do really appreciate those sleeves. Again, they balance out the wide leg pant and she's so cool. I don't know. That one I'm in love with. Maybe it's the color, like I said. And then when we get to 1976, again, same theory here. It's got a really great wide leg pant. It's got a great top and it's got a really cool belt. And this is not a button-down shirt. It only comes down to a V-neck. Again, I could possibly get away with that being a dress and a pant. Oh, I'm really torn. It has the different lengths, so I can actually get somewhere in between this very long and the very short. I might have to go with this one. It's supposedly very quick and easy. We're hanging out in the 70s this time around. We were hanging out in the 50s and 60s last time. Now we're in the 70s. I think she is exactly that. Oh my gosh, I didn't even, let's just see where we go with 1976. If I even have all the pieces. This is really exciting. This is a vintage pattern that's never been opened or cut. Unfortunately, it is only one size. This pattern did go from 8 to 16. However, this is only a size 8, a 31.5-inch bust. My bust is somewhere between a 32 and a 34, depending on the bra I'm wearing. Since it's never been opened, I can actually cut it out a little bit wider, but it's pretty exciting. Honestly, rarely do I have these intact. So let us give this a shot, see what we got. All right, I've cut out all the pieces. It's not a whole lot of pieces. I cut them out a little bit wide so that I can give myself plenty of space to make this pattern. All right, so now I have to iron up the pattern pieces, lay them out, and cut them out. Pants on the surface are exceptionally quick and easy to make without putting extra accoutrement like pockets and belt loops and pleats, etc. It's literally just the front and the back being stitched up, the inseam stitched up the side, and then you stitch the crotches together. That's literally it. I might put the zipper in the back because I think back zippers sometimes look really nice. With the right sides together, I just feed it through the machine, both sides of the pant legs, and I didn't pin it because it was pretty straightforward. All right, so one pant leg inside the other, match it up and stitch it up. And then also having to decide again where to stop so I can put my zipper. This is the back side, longer than the front, so I'm going to leave this side open right here. So I'm going to stitch from here all the way around. Oh, these are fun. So far, so good. So I'm not going to do any more work on the pants until I start the top because I love the way they fit, I love the way they look, and I don't know just yet how long I want them to be. They are already finished on the bottom because this was a curtain, so I don't even have to finish them if I don't want to. But again, I'm not 100% sure what I want to do to finish these until I decide on the top. So we're going to put these aside and work on the top. All right, so I'm ironing out the top pattern, and then I'm going to lay out the first piece. The second piece I laid out off screen a little bit, but I was just making sure that I aligned the flowers together. Pro tip, I do not fold the fabric over and just cut blindly. Most of the time when it says to cut two pieces out, I cut one piece out and then I match up the first piece to the second piece to make sure that I've matched these up as perfectly as possible so that I don't have a mismatched pattern in the fabric. So now I'm just going to stitch the fronts together and the backs together and stitch up the side seams. There's really only 4 stitches going on in here. It's a very quick and easy stitch. And then I hemmed the bottom, hemmed the sleeves, and I'm cutting out a piece for the belt. I've got my belt, I've got my top, I've got my pants, and it's gonna be ready in 3, 2, 1. And all the pieces came together just as I had hoped. Look at this adorable outfit. I would say I got pretty darn close. After drawing up my sketch and looking through my patterns, I then realized I could make this where I don't tuck it in or without pants altogether, and it makes a beautiful dress on its own. Ta-da! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll join me next time for Goodwill Curtains Wardrobe Capsule.